today's video, we show you 5 of the best Amazon FBA deals from the month of August. Now, if you did want to see the previous episode of this series, just click up here and you can check out our top 5 picks from the month of July. But today it is going to be our top 5 deals from August. So all of these deals come from our deal of the day feature. This is where we send in 1 to 2 deals to all of our users for free into our Discord community. We'll do a quick overlay now so you can see how it actually looks in our Discord. And the whole idea of us sending these deals in is to give our users inspiration on the types of deals out there, where they should be looking, what they should be looking for. Obviously, this does take our team a lot of time every day to find these deals, but it is all about what we're trying to achieve here at Profitl, is giving our users the best chance of success with Amazon FBA. Now, a quick note before we do start, we don't really recommend to actually buy these deals. The issue is they get seen by a lot of people, and what can happen is a lot of people obviously buy them, and because so many people are buying them, it can drive the price right down. This isn't obviously normal for a normal FBA product, but because we do post these for free, they do get seen by a lot of people, and unfortunately lots of people do buy them. Just use these deals, as I mentioned earlier, to learn where to look and the types of products to be looking for. So today I'll be taking you through 5 of these deals, so make sure to hang around. We'll be going through where we could buy the products from, how much they were selling, their profitability at the time, and please remember all the prices you can see were correct at the time of sending these deals in, but as you can imagine, the prices do drop. So they may be a lot cheaper or they may be now out of stock, and so on. But let's jump right into it. Okay, so the first product we had was from the website The Range. It's this one here you see on the screen. It's an Elysian silver pendant light shade. Now, when we sent this into deal of a day, it was £3.50. Now, unfortunately, it's actually out of stock, but it wasn't out of stock at the time. Now, we'll now load up the Profitl extension so you can see all the data at the time we sent this in. So when we could buy this for £3.50, it was selling on Amazon for £16.17. So let's run through all the data points. So sales firstly, 30 to 90 units a month, which is decent sales. If we can get that many sales, that's absolutely perfect. Had really good product reviews, so it's 5-star rated with 520 reviews. But the thing we absolutely loved about this one, and it's probably one of the best deals we found this month, was the return on investment was 187%, which is just absolutely insane. And that gave us a profit of £6.55 per unit. We're spending £3.50 and this product was returning at the time £6.55 profit per unit. There was also only 3 FBA sellers, so there wasn't a huge amount of competition on here. And with them sales and that amount of sellers, we could be pretty confident we could send them in and we could get that stock out and sold and take the profit in with not too much hassle. Okay, so the next product we have is from Waitrose. It's this Radox Mineral Feel Refresh Gel. So this is actually for a pack of 2 on Amazon. So this price has actually gone up slightly since we sent this in. So at the time we could buy them for £1.75 per unit. They have now gone up to £2.25 per unit. So we could buy a set of 2 for £3.50. Now let me load up the Profitl extension and you can see that a pack of 2 on Amazon was selling for £12.97. So we were buying for £3.50 and it was selling on Amazon for £12.97. So again, a real big difference. Similar sales on this one, so between 30 to 90 units a month, that's absolutely fine. We'll happily go between 5 to 30 if there's not too much competition. So 30 to 90 is absolutely great. It was obviously a newer product because there was only 11 reviews, 4.5-star rated. But again, because of that pricing difference, it gave us an amazing return on investment. So 100% ROI, spending £3.50, returning £12.97, just an amazing difference in price. Again, there's only 3 FBA sellers, so not much competition at all. And hopefully you'll see a theme along this and what we're trying to achieve here. We want good sales, we want a high return on investment, and we want low competition. They are the key basics of what makes a good Amazon FBA deal. I just wanted to let all of our watchers know who are interested in joining Profitl, we do have an exclusive YouTube discount. If you have watched our videos before, you may have seen this, but if not, I'll just link it up here. It will give you 20% off monthly plans or 5% off yearly plans. So if you were thinking of starting your Amazon FBA journey, make sure to take them down. And if you did ever want to join Profitl, make sure to use them and it will save you some money. So now into deal 3, and it is from the website Boots, it was this Oral-B Pro Expert Deep Clean Toothpaste 75 millilitres. Now this is actually £6, but we could buy this for £3 with an Advantage card, so saving us over 50%. Now let's make the Profitl data pop up on screen. So as we can see, it was selling on time on Amazon for £11.22. So buying for £3, selling for £11.22. What an amazing difference. Really good sales on this one. So it's selling between 90 to 270 units a month. And for those who are wondering why we give a sales range, we do this just to be as accurate as possible. Amazon don't provide any data on how much a product is selling, so we have to use a number of data points to work this out. And obviously the sales are more dependent on how much the price is selling, so we do this based on how the price is varying on the listing. But 90 to 270 sales, really good sales. Another newer product, so only 2 reviews, but it was 5-star rated, so that's a really good sign. But 100% return on investment, giving us £3 profit per unit. And this one only had 2 other FBA sellers, so not much competition. They also didn't have much stock either, so this was another really good buy. Okay, so now on to deal number 4, and it is from this website, BD Price Models and Toys. So the product was this playable children mini golfing, which we can buy for £3.99. We can actually still buy it for £3.99. Now let's make the Profitl Amazon data load up on the screen. So you can see it was selling on Amazon at the time for £12.99. So buying it for £3.99, selling for £12.99. Not loads of sales on this one, it's only 5 to 30 sales a month, which isn't huge, but there was only one FBA seller, so there was only one competitor on the listing. Then obviously lower sales doesn't matter as much because you're not competing as many people. Now obviously it is quite possible that more sellers are going to come on this listing, but with the other Profitl data you can work out how many sellers have previously been on this listing and what sort of the average is going to be. It was a very well received product, 586 5-star reviews, so hopefully not too many returns, and 87% return on investment, meaning £3.46 profit per unit. So to be spending £3.99 to get back £3.46 profit is such an amazing difference. So this was another great deal. So now we have our 5th and final deal, and it is from the website Smiths, and it is this Sonic 2 Movie Plus, which we can buy for £9.99. Now let's make the Profitl and the Amazon data show on screen. As you can see, it was selling on Amazon for £24.26. So a great difference, buying for £9.99, selling for £24. Really good sales in this one, so it's selling between 90 to 180 units a month, 4.5-star reviewed with 150 reviews. Return on investment was great, 69%, and the nice thing is obviously this was a more expensive product. This was returning an estimated profit per unit of £6.85, which is just amazing. There was slightly more FBA sellers on this one, so there was 5 FBA sellers, but that's not a problem really. What we usually recommend is 1 to 5 is perfect. 5 to 10 you can go for if you've got good profit. Over 10 you do need to be a little bit careful. Chances are there's going to be people who are buying a lot more stock than you, might be buying from wholesalers, so they're buying it for cheaper and they also have a lot more to lose. That's why you want to try and limit buying products with too many competitors on. So that's our top 5 deals from last month, and we hope that shows just a pure variety of deals out there, how many different types of products you can make money on, and just how many websites you can actually use. There really is opportunity absolutely everywhere. There really is so many more deals out there. This is just such a small proportion of the products we actually send into Deal of the Day, and our users find so many more which we don't even find. And just before we move on to the outro, just want to do a quick plug of our new YouTube channel. We do have a new Shorts channel, which I'll just link up here, or it might be in the description. It's called Profitl Shorts. This is for more short content where we go out looking for deals, showing the sort of deals we find. So please make sure to subscribe and also check out our other socials as well. But anyway, we hope you found that video interesting. If you were interested in joining Profitl, all of our links are in the description, and make sure to use the discount code if you do ever join. But as always, make sure to like and subscribe, and leave us a comment for any other videos you'd like us to make, or any questions you've got about Amazon FBA or Profitl in general. We always try and answer all questions. But thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.